So this is my water wheel. What I basically did is I took my mom's old bike tire. We took it off the bike. Then we put a piece of a garden trellis through the place, through a little hole in the middle. And then when we spinned the tire, these stayed in place, but the tire spinned. And then we popped it up on this baby gate. And with the string, we took some car wheel, well, some play car wheels, and we string
tape,
and we put tape as a barrier, and the string rolled up on them, and then we taped cups to the wheel. And when I spray it, it should go round and round and round, and the string should roll up to the button. So now I'm gonna spray it, and it should go around.
So the string is wound all the way up.
Yeah, now the string is wound all the way up. That's because the motion of it turning had gone around, and then the string got wound up, and there's a little button at the end. And electricity is the same way, except there's another wheel, and the string is kind of like a round circle, and attaches to the other wheel, and the other wheel generates electricity.
Again.
So now what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to fill Peter's cup up using the water from our water. So let's start. And when the string's wound up, let's go check to see if his cup's filled up. The string's wound up. Peter, is your cup filled up? Like halfway.
Take a sip. Mmm.
I'm afraid if you do jet, it'll just blow the cups off there.